Alright guys, working on some truck storage today. Organization, got the ladder in the front here where it's easy to get to, the broom. Got the step stool on this side for getting in and out of the back of the truck really easily. The tub there's got the coolant and oil and things like that in it. A couple of 5-gallon jugs of diesel. And then we got over here, we've got the beginnings of what's going to be our traveling hydroponic garden. So we've got the base, we got it kind of strapped down. I'm not sure I like the way we have it strapped down right now. This is just kind of our version 1.0. We'll see what we end up with. We got to make a run to the store to get the materials to finish building out the sprayers and the pumps to go inside and get our plants planted, and we will give you a follow-up on that. Anyway, so just get some spring cleaning done. We'll give you an update later.